What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. Of course, we're back in Newark. We're on Halsey Street again, and we're about to go in Just Fish. Just Fish used to be over on Washington Street, and Branford. And now they relocated to Just Fish Bar and Grill here on Halsey Street. Let's go check it out. Yo, they getting it together, y'all. Fish, we just got our fish there, y'all. It's still steaming. Just came out of the deep fryer, as you see.
We got our cornbread. Got our cornbread there. Look at that cornbread. Just Fish, y'all. Oh, you know what? I was touching the doorknob, right? So I forgot about this here. Let me do this real quick. You know, touching those high risk areas like doorknobs and stuff. I ain't playing around. Let me fix my hat too, right? Look, y'all, where this bone? We got the hot sauce. We got the tartar sauce. What else is under here? Where my fork at? We got the greens. So we got the greens there and the macaroni and cheese. First thing I'm gonna do is eat the fish, y'all. Fish is steaming. You know, I'm gonna eat the fish without putting anything on it. 1, 2, 3. I got 4 pieces of fish. Right off, it really tastes fresh. And the batter is good. It's hot. It's crunchy on the edges. That's good. Let's put some tartar sauce on it.
Uh-oh. All right, this is another winner, y'all. Just Fish. The whole dinner and the drink. I got my lemonade. It's $28. Okay, it's downtown Newark. Some may say it's a little pricey, but this is some good fish. It really tastes fresh. You know how some fish taste like it was frozen, or like the skin on it look like it's been around for a while? This tastes really fresh. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I was a little worried. And right now it's Tuesday. I was a little worried coming in here on a Tuesday that how fresh the fish would taste.
It's really good. Look at that. The hot sauce is not that hot. Let's put a little bit more hot sauce on it. For those of my people from down south. I didn't grab a napkin. I already tasted the juice. Y'all know this juice from Newark, New Jersey, which I'm saying is from the hood. So y'all know what it is, right? What is it? Really sweet.
It is sweet. It's not as sweet as the last juice I had. What episode was that? When I got the soul food from Dick and Judy's, D&J's. that was way sweeter than this. But I can double it. I can put about this much water in there, and that would thin this out just enough for me. And let's taste the cornbread. Cornbread is good. Cornbread tastes delicious. Okay, here's the verdict. Just Fish. I got the greens, macaroni and cheese, and the fried whiting. The fried whiting is delicious. The greens are good, macaroni's good. You heard the difference there? Delicious. That's the macaroni and cheese right there. Right? Just so you can see. There's the collard greens right there. For those that like consistency. Here's the fish, y'all. The fish is delicious. That is so fresh. Nice little sizes too. Well, y'all, there it is. I just wanted to come back down here to Halsey Street
Newark, New Jersey, at Just Fish. The owner was out front, but I missed him. I would have loved to find out the history of this place. This restaurant used to be called 27 Mix. Just Fish just moved in recently.
Very, 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 very sweet. Lemonade. It's mixed with something. I forget what. Strawberry lemonade. That's what this is.
Strawberry lemonade. This Matt DV, y'all. Thanks for supporting the channel by subscribing, by liking, and also by joining us on Patreon. All of that information is in the description. If you want to join us on Patreon and help support this type of content, you know, this is positive content about eating delicious food, about traveling, and coming up next, y'all, pulling out the sailboat, taking y'all out on the sailboat, and we're gonna start going to different spots on the East Coast and eating and riding in the sailboat and enjoying life, right? It's Matt DV. See you at the next one. Peace.